Hi there, my name is Dr. Cletus Bassey. I am the Chancellor and President of LeadImpact University, Denver, Colorado, USA. LeadImpact as a Christian university is at the forefront of pioneering positive change in the leadership of this generation that will transcend to the future generations. My vision for LeadImpact University is to create quality higher education and raise exceptional and outstanding God-fearing leaders that will be recognized all over the world. I am excited to welcome you to our diverse community of students who share like minds with the zeal and passion to learn new things, plus the fact that they take pride in the things of God. I strongly believe that we can give you the right support and innovation that you need to achieve God's vision for your life, because everyone, and I mean it, everyone who comes in contact with LeadImpact University has an everlasting transformation. Congratulations. I can't wait to see you blossom in your life, your career, relationships, ministry, and home, because you came in contact with LeadImpact University. Shalom.